Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new video of our series Motorcycle Garage. In this video, we talk about a fantastic simple product which helps you during the rains.
Before we start the video, for all the adventure freaks out there, we have a surprise for you. You can check out the site outdoortravelgear.com. They are the leaders in selling high quality adventure products which are available on amazing discounts. You can also add a brand code Motopsychcle to get 10% off on your bill. Don't wait, go to their site and check out some cool, amazing, world-class adventure products from outdoortravelgear.com. Now with this message done, let's head back to the video.
So let's start the video and talk about this product. Well, this product is there for all the rain lovers who like to get out in the rain, and also for the mindless ones who forget to carry a backpack. Well, the product is called Quipco Turtleback Rain cover. If you look at this, the first impressions are honestly very impressive. If we open this rain cover, the quality of material seems to be excellent. The material is made out of PU coated polyester, which makes it water resistant. There is a reflective logo at the center. It makes the cover visible after sunset or in the dark. This cover is specifically designed for medium-sized rucksack and backpacks. It fits all generic sizes of travel bags, which range from 55 to 80 liters. You can also adjust the size by pulling the drawstrings given in the rucksack. It offers great deal of protection from wind, rain, dust and heat. Now this can be a perfect partner for your biking and hiking expedition. As the monsoons are approaching quickly, this cover would be helpful in those rainy day rides. You can check out our website if you want to purchase one. Link is given in the description below. And the product is in discount right now. Hurry up, click and buy this product before it goes away from the store. You can like, comment and subscribe to our channel. If you want to know more about the product, you can always ask us in the comments below. Follow us on social media for more updates. With this, we end our video. Till our next video, it's goodbye from us.